This is our website Bluepad. So here you can see we are currently supporting 5 languages for users, and one of them is English. The rest 4 are Indian vernacular languages. So now I'll just show a demo for the English language. So once you press on English, the user gets access to different type of content which is published, and these are categorized as blogs, poems and stories. So the user can click on any article and start reading the same. Now I'll show you a demo for one of the Indian vernacular languages, which is Marathi. So once you click on Marathi, similarly you get access to blogs, to poems and stories. So user can just click on any of these categories and start reading articles of their choice. Similarly, the user can access his own profile. Under profile, he can find his own published articles, as well as he has also an option to bookmark articles and read them later. If a user wants to publish his own content, he can press on write and start writing his content. So here he has to give a title for his article and then start writing the main composition. He can also add any image that he wants in this article and then just go ahead and press on publish, and the article would get published on the website. So yeah, that's the main website that we are currently supporting right now. So this is the demo for the Bluepad app. Here I've chosen the language as English, and you can see there are 3 categories of content, that is blog, poem and stories. The user can just scroll and choose any article that he wants to read. Below the articles we also provide some recommendations so that the user can click on these and read more. If the user wants to change the language, he can just click on this button and then choose any other language that he wants to read. On the app we are only supporting 3 languages for now, so I'm choosing Hindi as the language. Similar to what we saw in English, Hindi also provides 3 different categorizations of the content, that is blogs, poems and stories. The user also gets an option to access his own profile. Under profile he can find his published articles, his drafts and his liked articles. In the app we have provided a separate button called as library. So in the library the user can find his own bookmarked articles that he wants to read later. This we have provided separately so that it's easy for the user to access these content. And then if the user wants to create any article, he just has to press on write and then provide a title and start writing in our editor and go ahead and publish the same. So that's the basic demo of our product.